Do you want to listen to the sentences that you have just translated in Google Translate? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can listen to the sentences that you have just translated using Google Translate. Go ahead and open google.com on your Chrome or Edge browser and then log into your account. Now click on the Google Apps and then click Translate. You can see that Google Translate has now been opened. Go ahead and click Detect Language and write down whatever you want. After writing down, you can select the detected language or the dedicated language over here. After you choose it, you can click on this listen and then these sentences will be recited. You can even do this for here, so click it and listen to it.
Hey, I am a friend of his emperor.
You can change the voice speed going over here and clicking over here, and then you can do it the same for this one too.
अहो मी त्याच्या सम्राटाचा मित्र आहे.
This way, your pronunciations and your language will be more better using Google Translate after you recite or listen to these sentences that you have just translated. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.